This is Mary Jackson, Research and Instruction Librarian at Milligan University. You have two specific micro assignments coming up in Comp 211 that involve using library resources. This presentation will help you do the assignment about subject-specific databases. It will also explain the why behind the assignment. Many Milligan students think OneSearch searches everything that is in the Milligan Library. This is not true. Additionally, some of the things that OneSearch searches, it does an okay job of searching. Let's find out a bit more about this so we can find more and better resources. To do this, we need to think a bit about how databases and search engines search. Computer algorithms drive which search results show up in what order. Google and other search engines closely guard their algorithms. But what about library database search results? Pretend you are in charge of prioritizing the search results in library databases. If you have a search with two terms, do you prioritize the search results with the most uses of both terms or the ones with a more even split of the search terms? Database creators must make these decisions. Are there other important factors in determining the order of search results? What about how current an article is? In some disciplines, like computer science and health related fields, the only articles that matter are recent ones. In other disciplines, currency is not as important. Just like with Google, we don't know exactly why some results come before other results in library databases. Based on my experience, I know that OneSearch gives a bump to articles written within the past 2 years. If you need more current articles, OneSearch is a good choice. Now let's learn a bit more about OneSearch to understand why you might want to search in other databases. OneSearch is a product provided by the database vendor EBSCO. Many of the databases in OneSearch are provided by EBSCO. OneSearch does a very good job of searching these EBSCO databases. OneSearch does an okay job searching other databases. OneSearch is also searching a very large number of resources. Sometimes it is easier and faster to search a smaller database for exactly what you want. Let's see how this works with a sample search. Notice how many more results there are in JSTOR than in OneSearch. Remember, OneSearch is supposed to be searching JSTOR. There are several reasons for this, but I am not going to go into all of them now. But for this topic and many others, you should be searching both OneSearch and other databases like JSTOR. Just like restaurants, many databases focus on a particular academic discipline. If you are feeling like tacos, would you go to a Chinese food restaurant? Of course not. So you don't want to pick a literature database to research your nursing paper. What subject specific database should you choose for your paper? Your instructor has uploaded a document in Canvas entitled Recommended Databases by Subject. Take a look at it and find which subjects most closely match your research paper topic. The databases in bold are searched well by OneSearch. For this micro assignment, select one of the other databases in italics to search for resources. Remember that you are not allowed to use OneSearch for this micro assignment. You may use OneSearch when you're looking for resources, other resources for your Comp 211 paper. How do I get to those subject-specific databases that are listed on the sheet that you were given? And you're going to click on Databases, and then just click Browse. And what's going to come up is an A to Z list of all the databases that are at Milligan. You should now match them to the list. If you have Academic OneFile or JSTOR on your list, those are the ones that you should probably be using for this assignment. If you're in a different subject, you may have some other recommendations too. But JSTOR and Academic OneFile are the best ones for most of you on this micro assignment. Remember, databases are like snowflakes. Each one is unique. And also, each one searches with a different algorithm. Not sure what database to use for your topic or still have other questions? Ask me for help.